Hello everyone, welcome to the Learn from Home program by SBTU, and today I'll be doing lesson number 7, Unit 1, The Cat, which is written by Andrew Barton Paterson. And Andrew Barton Paterson, he was an Australian writer, let's say author, Australian journalist, and he was an Australian poet, and he especially wrote on Australian life. And his notable books, okay, he is famous for Waltzing Matilda and The Man from Snowy River. These are his two important works. And in this story, we are going to learn about the life, the real life of a cat. The other side, let's say, the other side of a cat. Usually when we see a cat or when we imagine a cat, we just imagine a lazy animal sitting here and there and sleeping whole throughout the day, doing nothing and just waiting for the milk and the mice. We just have that idea about a cat, isn't it? But here, the writer Andrew Barton Paterson, he has described, or let's say he has shown us the other side of a cat. He defines a cat as an intelligent animal. So that we are going to learn about about a cat today in this chapter, lesson number 7, the cat. So here I go with unit 1. Most people think that cat is an unintelligent animal, fond of ease and caring little for anything but mice and milk. So, as I told you, when we imagine a cat, we just have one idea about the cat, and that is these cats are useless. These animals are unintelligent animals. They are good for nothing. They just lazy all the time. They spend time lazing here and there and they do nothing, isn't it? And they just wait for the milk and the mice. We just have that idea about the cat. But a cat has really more character than most human beings and gets a great deal more satisfaction out of life. But cat has got different character. Okay, the cat, it has got a different character. यहाँनिर अथरले के भन्नुहुँदैछ, क्याटको चाहिँ भिन्दै रूप छ अरे, जुन चाहिँ रूप चाहिँ उले हामीलाई देखाउँछ, जो चाहिँ एकदमै कम्फर्टेबल लाइफ मन पराउँछ, मुसालाई पर्खिबस्छ, हामीले कति बेला उलाई दूध दिन्छौँ र उले खानु भनेर पर्खिरहेको हुन्छ. हामीले क्याटलाई इमेजिन गर्दा हामीलाई त्यो सब कुरा याद आउँछ. तर एन्ड्रु बार्टन पेटरसनले चाहिँ के भन्नुहुँदैछ, क्याटको चाहिँ अर्कै लाइफ, अर्कै क्यारेक्टर छ अरे भनेर भन्नुहुँदैछ. अनि cat, he is the most satisfied animal अरे, he makes most out of his life अरे. भन्नुको मतलब चाहिँ हामी भन्दा पनि satisfied चाहिँ क्याट्सहरु छ अरे, उनीहरुको लाइफ देखिन्छ भनेर यहाँनिर राइटरले भन्नुहुँदैछ. He or she is an athlete, an acrobat and a green fighter. So according to the writer, cat चाहिँ के अरे, एथलीट अरे. भनेपछि उ एकदमै स्पोर्टिभ एनिमल अरे, एकदमै अजाइल भन्छ नि, एक्टिभ, हौ त्यस्तो खालको एनिमल अरे. एक्रोब्याट भनेको उले एकदमै तडक भडकहरु पनि एकदमै बेसी गर्छ अरे. एक्रोब्याटको मिनिङ मैले यहाँनिर लेखिदिएको छु. एक्रोब्याट, one who entertains through difficult physical movements. Acrobat भनेको उफ्रिनु, यता जम्पहरु गर्नु हैन, त्यस्तोलाई एक्रोब्याट भन्छ. र यहाँनिर क्याट पनि एकदमै के छ अरे, एकदमै अजाइल acrobatic animal अरे. All day long, the cat loafs about the house, takes things easy and allows himself to be pestered by attentions of the people in the house. अनि he keeps on loitering around the house throughout the day. Buddy, he keeps on loitering around. Loaf garibasa bhaneko cha move garibasa re. He keeps on moving around in the house re. Takes things easy and allows himself to be pestered by the attentions of the people in the house. अनि के गर्छ नि, उ चाहिँ मान्छेको अगाडि गएर चाहिँ एकदमै के रे त्यहाँनिर पल्टी बस्छ, कराई बस्छ, अनि उलाई चलाई बसोस्, उलाई छुई बसोस्, उलाई अनय गरिरहोस्, पेस्टेड गरिरहोस्. उले के गर्छ भन्दाखेरि he wants to be the center of attraction अरे. ह्युमन बीइङको छेउमा बीचमा बसेर चाहिँ he attracts the attention of the people, and people, when they see a cat, what you call moving around in front of the people, when cats purr in front of the people, obviously we feel like playing with the cat, we feel like touching it, we feel like caressing it, हैन, उलाई मुसार्नु मन पर्छ हैन हामीलाई. अनि त्यसो गर्दाखेरि उ annoy हुन्छ अरे, तर पनि he loves that when people annoy him, he loves that अरे. उलाई त्यसमै मजा आउँछ अरे क्याटलाई चाहिँ. Then to pass the time away, he sometimes watches a mouse hole for an hour or two just to keep himself from dying of boredom. अनि यति साह्रो उसले एउटा मुसाको दुलोमा चाहिँ उसले 1 घण्टा 2 घण्टासम्म पनि नहल्लिकन हेरेकै गर्नु सक्छ अरे, जस्ट टु व्हाट यु कल पास हिज टाइम. उसलाई एकदमै when he or she is feeling very what you call lazy, at that time he keeps on looking at the same mice hole continuously for 1 hour or 2 hours अरे. त्यो चाहिँ के गर्नु, उसको बोरियतलाई हटाउनुको लागि चाहिँ उसले त्यसरी हेरिबस्छ अरे. People get this idea that this sort of thing is all that holds life for a cat, but watch him as the shades of evening fall, you can see the cat as he really is. हामीले जति पनि अहिले मैले बिरालोको विषयमा डिस्क्राइब गरेँ, यहाँनिर अथरले जुन चाहिँ डिस्क्रिप्सन दिनुभएको छ, जति पनि मैले डिस्क्राइब गरेँ, त्यो खालको व्हाट यु कल इमेजिनेसन अनि त्यो खालको विचार चाहिँ हाम्रो पनि छ, सबैको छ हैन. बिरालोलाई हामीले जब सम्झिन्छौँ, देख्छौँ, हेर्छौँ, त्यति बेला चाहिँ के अल्छे यो बिरालो, जति बेला पनि सुतिरहेको, खानु भोक लाग्यो भने म्याउ म्याउ गर्दै आउँछ, दुध माग्छ, दुध दिन्छौँ, खान्छ, फेरि गएर सुत्छ. अनि त्यही कुरा चाहिँ यहाँनिर अथरले लेख्नु भएको छ र त्यही कुरा चाहिँ म अहिले यहाँनिर एक्सप्लेन पनि गरेँ. तर यहाँनिर के भन्नु हुँदैछ भन्दाखेरि जब चाहिँ इभिनिङ हुन्छ अरे, बट वाच हिम एज द शेड्स अफ इभिनिङ फल भन्नुको मतलब चाहिँ यहाँनिर अथरले के भन्नु हुँदैछ, जब चाहिँ रात पर्छ, जब चाहिँ त्यति बेला रात पर्छ, त्यति बेला चाहिँ तिमीहरूले चाहिँ रियल क्याटको क्यारेक्टर चाहिँ देख्छौ, चाल पाउँछौ भनेर चाहिँ उहाँले हामीलाई भन्नु हुँदैछ. यु क्यान सी द क्याट एज ही रियली इज. ऊ वास्तवमा कस्तो छ, इन रियालिटी क्याट कस्तो छ, त्यो क्यारेक्टर चाहिँ हामीले जब रात पर्छ त्यति बेला चाहिँ हामीले देख्न सक्छौँ अरे. सो इन दिस वे आई completed the cat unit 1, and if you have any problem you just can log in into our website sbto.in. Thank you.